10 foods that lower blood sugar naturally and fast, backed by science and nutritionists. Managing blood sugar levels is essential for good health, most necessary for individuals with diabetes or those exposed to prediabetes. Therefore, certain foods should be kept in the daily diet that help to maintain blood sugar levels naturally and efficiently. In this video, 10 such foods will be presented, with respect to studies, from sound evidence, and the opinions of experts in nutrition justifying them in lowering blood sugar levels. 1. Cinnamon. Expect cinnamon to lower your blood sugar and how. It has been proven to help enhance your body's insulin sensitivity in a way that your body could transport the sugar in your bloodstream into your cells more effectively. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon per day can really help reduce blood sugar spikes and enhance long-term glycemic control. 2. Avocados. Owing to the presence of healthy fats and fibers, avocados have a property of maintaining blood sugar levels very well. Monounsaturated fats in avocados inhibit the digestion of carbs, thereby maintaining a relatively slower, controlled release of sugar into the blood. A further component of avocados, in fact, are those that have significant fiber content. Thus, they could, to some extent, contribute to prolonging your feelings of satiety, thereby averting significant blood sugar spikes. 3. Kale. Kale is replete with fiber and flavonoid antioxidants that may assist in lowering blood sugar. A study conducted on 42 adults in Japan confirms that consumption of 7 or 14 grams of kale-containing food along with a carbohydrate meal showed a significant reduction of blood sugar in the post-dinner stage compared with a placebo. The flavonoid antioxidants of kale such as quercetin and kaempferol strongly support blood sugar lowering and insulin sensitizing effects. 4. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are considered a superfood and contain high amounts of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. They exert their blood glucose regulation by virtue of their high fiber content, which slows sugar absorption into the bloodstream and keeps blood sugar levels constant throughout the day. A bonus in favor of these tiny seeds, they are extremely versatile and can be easily added to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for that blood sugar-friendly boost. 5. Beans. Chickpeas, black beans, lentils, and other legumes provide an excellent source of fiber with protein and hardly any fat. Because of their complex carbohydrates, beans are digested at a slow pace, which helps control the blood sugar levels. It is also a good source of iron and folate together with other nutrients. A recent research found that just by eating a cup of beans every day, one could easily lower the cholesterol levels and inflammation, and that would prevent chronic diseases such as heart diseases and diabetes. 6. Garlic. Garlic is acclaimed as a health elixir through age-old times. It has beneficial effects on blood sugar regulation. There seems to be some evidence from clinical studies on garlic for insulin sensitization and reduction in blood sugar levels. So used during cooking, apart from adding flavor, provides health benefits. 7. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. These fruits fall low on the glycemic index and can pack fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins that regulate blood sugar levels. The fiber in these berries paces sugar absorption into the bloodstream so that blood sugar uptake is gradual. Finally, berries are high in anthocyanins. 8. Oats. Much needed goodness. Oats are a nutritious whole grain with blood sugar lowering potential. Evidence suggests that oats have a low glycemic index, can increase insulin sensitivity, and can help maintain low glycemic control. They contain beta-glucan, which can decrease blood sugar level post-meals. For the maximum benefit, stone-ground oats should be used in place of other kinds. 9. Pistachios. Pistachios are a great blood sugar stabilizer with their healthy fat, fiber, and protein content. Unsaturated fat and fiber in pistachios also promote heart health, which is especially important with diabetes, as they are at higher risk for heart disease. In-shell pistachios can help with mindful snacking, whereby leftover shells serve as a visual account of how much has been eaten. 10. Sweet potatoes. They also have a lower glycemic index, meaning their content causes a slower rise in blood sugar. Sweet potatoes are good for you because they contain fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium. So, if you want something healthful, sweet potatoes make a wonderful option. Final words. To maintain your blood sugar levels down, these foods require their natural method to be consumed. If you make good food selections, then you are fortunate enough to be able to control your blood sugar levels and stay healthy. For someone who may need it, kindly share this video. Subscribe to our channel for more informative tips on managing blood sugar levels and living a healthy lifestyle, and stay tuned for the most recent health news and advice.